Now we are talking about nets. So we did solids and we identified faces, edges, and vertices, okay? And now we are talking about three-dimensional figures, which are nets, okay? So when a three-dimensional figure is cut and unfolded onto a flat surface, the flat representation is called a net, okay? So there are many ways to draw a net. One method is to draw the base first, then draw the sides around the base, and then finally the top. And so we're going to draw a net for each figure. But what I'm going to do, I will pause it and draw it, and then come back and you can see what it looks like. But I'm going to do the first one. So the base, I'm going to do a square. Okay. So think like you're opening a present. Okay, you're opening a present. Okay, so we're opening a present. And then we have these four sides like this. Okay, and then we have the square again. So one thing to note when you're doing this is that you should have your faces, the number here should match here. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces, I should have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here it is, okay? So I'm going to pause and do number 2 and then come back so that you're not waiting on me to finish drawing. So pause. Okay, so here is the rectangular pyramid, okay? So if it was laying on the bottom, I just opened up these two side flaps and these two triangular sides, and then we're good to go. So let's look at the next one. So we're going to keep going with 3, 4, 5, and 6. And yes, even if you are at home watching the video, I do expect you to draw the nets. I'm just not going to do it as the camera's rolling, so it's not overwhelming. You can pause and copy the net as you see it. So I'm going to pause and do number 3 and 4. So here's my bad examples of 3 and 4, but again, laying it on the base and then opening up your 4 sides. And notice that this is a rectangular base, so it's 3 rectangles and with our 2 sides of the triangles. And the same, not the same here, this one actually is rectangular, but it has 4 triangular sides. So I'm going to move down to 5 and 6 and draw these out, and I'm going to let you do the same. Okay, so this one is a square pyramid, and this one is a triangular pyramid. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, because this relates to surface area, which we will be doing next. So if you can identify the sides, the shapes of all of these, you can find the total surface area. For example, here, you would have the area of a square plus the area of the same triangle 4 times, even though my triangle is a very bad rendition of the triangle. Okay, so that is, yeah, that's it. That's it. So just practice on drawing nets.